So can anyone tell me why a valve might not turn off? Yep. So generally the valve's broken, or the controller is telling it not to turn off. So you will get phone calls from a client saying my valve's not turned off, and they've turned the controller to an 8-hour runtime, 7 days a week, twice a day, and it's being told to turn on. So if it's either going to be the controller's telling the valve to turn on, or the valve's broken. So it's either a torn diaphragm. So where's the diaphragm? Or there's a rock or some debris stuck in the valve. A lot of times when a valve won't turn off, it's not that it won't turn off, it's that it won't turn off fully, and there's something stuck under there. A lot of times when that happens, if a rock or something gets in here, it'll hold it from closing. And it's not uncommon for that to happen after all water, or SA, is it all water? Yeah, they fix the pipes. If they've just done some pipe repair work out the front of the property, and they've got some rubble or something in the actual pipe, and it's managed to get through your water meter, or if you've had a landscaper or a irrigator do some work and they've got some stuff in the main line, it'll usually be the last solenoid valve on the bank. They'll turn it on and it will blow the rubble into there, and it'll get stuck at this point, and that's when the valve won't turn off. So it's really easy to take the valve apart. We'll do that in a sec.